Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and my Hungry Harvest box just got in, so hold on, move things out of the way. I thought I would go ahead and open this up and share with you guys what we got in our box this week, because I haven't filmed one of these videos in a long time, but I haven't filmed a video in a long time in general. I just have been distracted. The cat's been sick, and we've been really busy cleaning the house, getting stuff done, and going out a lot, so yes, and it's Saturday morning and I slept in my Friday shirt, so I'm wearing that. So let's go ahead and bust open our Hungry Harvest box. Get a thumbnail. And check out what we've got. So, first thing on top is some mushrooms. These look good. They look like chopped up portobellos. Let me pull up the email they sent actually so I could tell you why everything has made it into the box this week. So these mushrooms, ever wonder what happens to the ends of the mushrooms when you buy them pre-sliced in the store? They get tossed out. We think that's a waste. So here are these portobello slices. Yeah, cool. We love mushrooms. Next we have some white asparagus. I'm very excited about this. We haven't had asparagus in like a while. So, considered a specialty product if growers have extras and they don't have, sorry, I'm like burping, and they don't have a customer to take the extras. That's when they contact us. So they were just extras and no one had bought them all. We have some broccoli. Looks good. Let's see why that has made it in here. Each bag was about 8 ounces. If they grew too much, growers sometimes don't have the customer network to take their supplies. So yeah, they were just extras. And that's kind of the story with a lot of these type things, especially with how many people are living with food insecurity in the country, in the world. It's kind of crazy that they just toss the extras. So didn't show you guys that. We've got kale, and the grower grew too much, most likely from Georgia, where the kale season is just getting started. Yeah, that's cool. We have avocados. I'm not even gonna look these up. I already know these are in the box because they're so little. I thought there were 3. Yeah, because they're very tiny little avocados. And then we have this maple walnut probiotic granola, which I have gotten in my box before. This is an add-on item, and I added it on again because I went through all of the granola we had previously and I really liked it, so I'm going to have some more. Then we have some onions. These are huge yellow onions, and let's see, 3, 4 of them. Yep. And let's see why the onions made it in here. Oh, these are organic onions, and they just have some discoloration on the outside on the peel, so they did not want them in stores. Then we have some sugar snap peas, 2 packages of those, and some of them have white spots and scarring. So actually you can sort of see that if it focused a little bit of scarring right there, but it doesn't mean that it's not usable. It's perfectly usable. Then we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, I think 5 pears, and I'm not even gonna look this up because I know they're in there because they're teeny tiny. And then we also have some apples, 5 apples, I'm sure are in here because they're teeny tiny as well. And then I added these on, just some tomatoes, and actually I'm gonna have to email about that because there's a couple rotting ones in here, so that's unfortunate. I'll have to get them out of this package. And then yeah, one of them has mold even, so that's unfortunate. I'll have to email them and get a refund for these. but they're really good about that, so it's not a big deal. So that's everything. That's my box this week. Very green with the kale and the avocados and the broccoli and the sugar snap peas. Even the apples are a little green, so I'm kind of loving it. It's getting me ready for spring, all this green. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you are interested in Hungry Harvest, I will leave my link to them down below. It is a link that everyone gets when they sign up, so it's not a special affiliate link. And basically, you sign up through my link, I get $5 off my next box, you get $5 off your first box. It's a nice symbiotic relationship of discounts. And I could say for me personally, I live outside the Baltimore area, which is where this box is delivered to. They did not initially deliver to my area, so if you want to see if they deliver to your area, there's a little thing on their website where you can type in your zip code and see if they deliver to you. And if not, they'll put your zip code on a waiting list, which is really cool. But yeah, I highly recommend it. I think it's a great value, and I'm glad that I get to rescue all this food from being wasted. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye.